If you have emails coming from a specific person or group of people that you want but don't want clogging up your inbox, here's how you can do it without unsubscribing. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to click on a specific person. So I'm going to click on Marie here. And then this is coming from info@hello.marieforlo.com. So I'm going to click on these three dots and then do filter messages like these, anything from that address, and then create filter. Now I'm going to skip the inbox and then apply a specific label. So I'm going to choose a label, or you can create one. And Marie sends messages from multiple emails, so I'll just click on the one I already created and then create filter. Now, any email from this address will come into my Marie folder in the future, so I can check it if needed, but it won't be clogging up my inbox and will keep things less cluttered. Hope this helps.